Hey Jane, can we talk about the Amazon layoffs? I mean, 30,000 employees. That's a massive number. It really makes you pause and think about the tech industry, doesn't it?
Absolutely, John. It's truly startling. My heart goes out to everyone affected. When you hear a company as colossal as Amazon making cuts of that magnitude, it really sends ripples through the entire economy, and frankly, creates a lot of anxiety for people in all sectors, not just tech.
Right? And it wasn't just Amazon. We've seen similar, albeit perhaps smaller, waves of layoffs across other major tech companies too. It begs the question, what's really going on? Is it purely an economic downturn, or is there something bigger at play here?
That's a fantastic point. On one hand, yes, the economic climate is undeniably a factor. Interest rates, inflation, a potential recession, these things make companies tighten their belts. Many tech companies, including Amazon, experienced explosive growth during the pandemic, right? Everyone was stuck at home, ordering everything online, streaming content. They ramped up hiring significantly to meet that demand.
Yeah, it felt like a gold rush for a while. Everyone was hiring like crazy, offering incredible perks. They anticipated that growth trajectory would just keep going up and to the right indefinitely.
Exactly. But now that things are normalizing, people are going back to offices, spending less time online, and disposable income is shrinking, that hyper growth has slowed down. So, these companies are now right-sizing, meaning they're reducing their workforce to match the current, more subdued demand.
So, a sort of correction after a period of overexpansion. That makes a lot of sense. But I can't shake the feeling that there's another elephant in the room that we need to talk about: AI. Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and it makes me wonder how much of these layoffs, or future ones, might be subtly influenced by automation and AI.
Oh, John, you've hit on such a crucial topic. While I agree the immediate Amazon layoffs are probably more about macroeconomic factors and post-pandemic recalibration, ignoring AI's long-term impact would be naive. It's a game changer, and it's happening faster than many predicted.
Think about it. Amazon is all about efficiency, logistics, data. These are areas where AI excels. Even if AI wasn't directly cited as the cause for these specific layoffs, it's hard to imagine it won't play a significant role in how companies like Amazon staff their operations in the future.
I mean, we're already seeing it in subtle ways. Customer service, for example. Many initial interactions are now handled by chatbots. While that might not mean laying off an entire call center, it definitely means fewer new hires in that sector, or a shift in the skills required for the human agents who do remain.
And it's not just customer service. Look at warehousing and logistics. Amazon has been investing heavily in robotics and automation for years. While humans are still vital for many tasks, the trend is clear. Automate repetitive, physically demanding jobs where possible. That directly impacts their warehouse staff.
Exactly. And it's not just blue-collar jobs anymore. We used to think AI would only affect those repetitive, manual tasks. But with the rise of generative AI, like ChatGPT or advanced image generators, suddenly, white-collar jobs that involve content creation, basic coding, data analysis, or even legal research are looking vulnerable.
That's the terrifying part for many, I think. People who thought their knowledge worker status made them immune are now seeing AI write marketing copy, draft emails, summarize documents, and even generate code snippets. It's not replacing the entire job yet, but it's automating parts of it, making individuals potentially more productive, and therefore, fewer individuals might be needed.
And that's a key distinction, isn't it? It's not always about outright replacement, but about augmentation leading to increased efficiency, which then translates to needing a smaller workforce for the same output. It shifts the entire skill set requirement. Instead of doing the grunt work, you're now reviewing, refining, and strategizing with AI as your assistant.
It's a really interesting pivot. It means that the skills of tomorrow aren't just about being good at your specific task, but good at prompting AI, understanding its output, and integrating it into workflows. It's less about raw output and more about critical thinking and problem solving at a higher level.
Absolutely. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, these are the uniquely human skills that AI still struggles with. If you can leverage AI to handle the mundane and focus your human energy on those higher order tasks, you become incredibly valuable.
So, for someone looking at these Amazon layoffs and feeling anxious about their own career, what do we tell them? How do they prepare for a future where AI is increasingly ubiquitous?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Firstly, continuous learning is no longer a buzzword, it's a survival strategy. Keep an eye on how AI is impacting your specific industry and role. Are there new AI tools emerging? Learn them. Don't be afraid to experiment.
And I'd add, try to understand the principles of AI, not just how to use a specific tool. If you understand what AI is good at and what its limitations are, you can better anticipate how it will evolve and how you can position yourself.
Right, because specific tools will come and go, but the underlying concepts will remain. Also, networking is more important than ever. The human connection, those relationships, are things AI can't replicate. When jobs shift, your network can be your lifeline for new opportunities.
That's so true. It's about building resilience. And let's not forget entrepreneurship. When old jobs disappear, new ones are created. Maybe AI helps you automate the back end of your small business, allowing you to focus on the creative or relationship building aspects.
Exactly. Think about all the new roles that emerged with the internet, then with mobile apps. We're going to see a similar explosion of new roles related to AI, roles we can't even fully imagine yet. Prompt engineer, AI ethicist, AI trainer, AI integration specialist. These are just the tip of the iceberg.
It really shifts the narrative from AI will take our jobs to AI will change our jobs. And those who adapt, who learn to work with AI, will be the ones who thrive. It's a partnership, not a replacement.
That's a more optimistic and I think more accurate perspective. It's a challenging period, no doubt, and the immediate impact of layoffs like Amazon's is incredibly difficult for those individuals. But it also forces us to confront these larger shifts and prepare ourselves and the next generation for a very different world of work.
Indeed, it's a wake-up call. We can't bury our heads in the sand. Proactive learning, adaptability, and leaning into our uniquely human strengths seem to be the key takeaways here. It's not about competing with AI, but about collaborating with it.
Couldn't agree more. It's a bit scary, but also incredibly exciting when you think about the potential. Thank you for this insightful conversation, John. It's definitely given me a lot to chew on.
Always a pleasure, Jane. And to our listeners, remember, stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to embrace the future. It's coming whether we're ready or not, so let's make sure we're ready.
Excellent advice. We'll catch you next time.